Cebu. By the way, my father is from Cebu. He's a full-blooded Cebuano. He is a liar. What? Yeah, no. But proudly, my father is attorney Jose Piedad Perez. And proudly, from Cebu, he is a bar top-notcher. He topped the bars in the 50s. He's not around anymore. I am a bar top-notcher myself. In Timog, Quezon City. Pegasus. Lexus. I think I thought I saw you, but but every time that I do this, yeah, can you turn my pieces of paper into money? Is that allowed, man? Yes, you believe so. That's easy. That's easy. But every time that I do this, many people would say, do it again. And you know, in magic, they say, I cannot do it again. I'm going to do it again. What's this one? Nothing in front, nothing in the back, nothing in my hand, except a white piece of paper, fold 1, 2, 3, make a wish. I wish I could do good magic. No fast moves. Open it up. Nothing in my hand except A. Here goes. Easy. If they say I cannot do it again, I'm not going to put it here. What's this one? I'm going to fold it once, twice, the third time, the fourth time. Make another wish. I wish I could do much better magic. Here it goes. Open it up. Abner, kumurap ka. Open up. Open it up. Mind you, lahat to ng mga magikero sa buong mundo, if they will practice this, they can do